Chicken salad is an easy, healthy recipe that is a classic for a reason. It's healthy and light, yet super satisfying, and I just love that there are so many simple, nutritious variations that you can make to keep your chicken salad fun, fresh, and exciting. Now, some of my favorites that I've shared in the past include my avocado chicken salad, a Sonoma chicken salad, and a Waldorf chicken salad, all of which I will link to down in the description box below. But today I'm sharing my latest chicken salad obsession, and I'm showing you how to make a cranberry-walnut chicken salad. Not only is this recipe rich in nutrients, protein, and fiber, but I'm also able to lighten things up a bit by swapping out some of the mayo for Greek yogurt. So the first thing I like to do is make the dressing. Now I'm gonna start with a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. I'm using a 2% low-fat variety, but you could also do a non-fat or a full fat depending on what you have or what you enjoy. Then I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now keep in mind, if you wanted this recipe to be even lighter, you could skip the mayo and do all Greek yogurt. I do that sometimes and it's delicious. And if you're not a yogurt person, you could skip the yogurt and do all mayo. You'll have a little bit of a richer salad, but still absolutely delicious and a little bit more like the classic. So as always, do whatever aligns with your personal goals and nutritional preferences. Then I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This is gonna keep things nice and bright. And then 2 teaspoons of honey. And a little side note, my friends, I read the recipe wrong and I actually added 2 tablespoons here, but that was way too much. You don't need that much. You just need a teaspoon or 2 just to round the flavors out a bit. We'll finish it with a little bit of sea salt and some black pepper. And then I'm gonna just gently whisk this together until I have a nice, thick, creamy dressing. And we're gonna use this to flavor our chicken salad. Now for the base of the salad, you're gonna need 2 cups of chicken breast. It could be chopped or shredded. Now this can be as easy as going to the grocery store and grabbing a rotisserie chicken, pull it apart while it's warm, and then use that as your chicken option. It's so convenient, I do that all the time. Or if you have a little more time on your hands, you can make my simply shredded slow cooker chicken that I shared a few weeks back. That is a go-to recipe in our house. I will often make that when I'm doing meal prep so that I have a good high quality protein waiting in the fridge for easy recipes just like this. Or you could do some baked chicken breasts. So as always, you have options. The takeaway here is that you need 2 cups of cooked chicken breast that is equivalent to 12 ounces or 340 grams, and that can either be chopped or shredded. Personally, I'm a Libra, so I can never make up my mind. So sometimes I chop the chicken, sometimes I shred the chicken. Today we're chopping the chicken. So I'll get my chicken into a nice big bowl, and then I'm adding in a half a cup of finely diced celery. This is gonna add great crunch and texture. A 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. If you're not big on onions, you could also do some scallions or some shallots. That's a little bit more mild, but still gives you that same underlying flavor. Then I have 1/3 cup of dried cranberries that I've roughly chopped up. I just give them a rough chop and then I toss them into the salad. And then to finish it, just a couple tablespoons of chopped up walnuts. The walnuts add the best texture. I just love the nuts in the chicken salad. Okay, we're gonna pour in that dressing that we prepared and then gently toss all of these ingredients together. You just want to make sure that the chicken and all of the veggies have a nice light coating of this creamy yogurt and mayo based dressing. This cranberry walnut chicken salad is so perfect for meal prep or just as a light lunch during the week. It comes together super quickly and I love serving it in butter lettuce cups. It's light and it's refreshing, but you could also serve it with some crackers or lay it onto a whole grain tortilla or your favorite bread. So as always, you have tons of clean and delicious options. And if you enjoy easy, healthy recipes just like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and take a moment to subscribe to our weekly newsletter. This way, instead of coming and looking for recipes all the time, you can just sit back, relax, and I will send them directly to you. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Danny Spies, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers!